Oh! Oh! Ha! Oh! Huh? Ah!
Hello, Cuquin. Do you know what's inside the boxes?
Oh!
Animals. Do you want to see them? To know which animal starts with the vowel A, you need to write it down.
Ha! Huh? A!
Try again. Follow the lines.
A! Oh! Huh! A! Ant!
That's right. A is for ant. Don't you know which animal begins with an E?
Ah! E!
I think you wrote too many lines. Why don't you do it again?
Huh! E! Ah! Oh! Ah! Wow! E! Elephant!
Great. E is for elephant. Do you know of any animal that starts with an I?
I. Ah? Oh. Wow! Oh. I. Iguana.
Good, Cuquin. Yes. I is for iguana.
Huh?
Let's see. What animal begins with the vowel O?
Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh. Octopus.
Very good. O is for octopus. Which animal starts with the vowel U?
U.
It just looked more like an O than a U. Why don't you try again?
U. Oh. Wow. Unicorn.
Of course. U is for unicorn. Now you know the vowels and the animals.
Ah? A is for ant. E is for elephant. I is for iguana. O is for octopus. U is for unicorn. The vowels! Oh, wow, balloons! Blue baby bottle. Huh? Oh, ha! Blue balloon. Oh! Hello, ghost. 3, 2, 1. Blue rabbit. Oh. Oh. Blue rocket. Ha. 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! Hey. Blue star. More. Oh. Yellow balloon. No yellow balloon. Yellow baby bottle. Whoa. Oh. Hello, ghost. 3, 2, 1. Yellow rabbit. Oh. Yellow rocket. 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! Yellow star. More. Red baby bottle. Ow! Red balloon. Oh. Hello, ghost. 3, 2, 1. Red rabbit. Red rocket. Ha! 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! Ha! Red star. More. Green baby bottle. Green balloon. Oh. Whoa! Hello, ghost. 3, 2, 1. Green rabbit. Green rocket. Ha!